Hello, I'm Johnny Buchanan. I'm only going to take a moment of your time. In fact, for the shortest video I think I'm ever going to make for YouTube, let's be quick, just to let you know that there is now a 20% discount on all of the content store-wide on Teachable. So if you're interested in media music composition and you've had a look at orchestral programming over 1 or orchestral programming 2 modern scoring techniques, and you've thought, you know what, I'm interested in that, but I'm just waiting for a discount, I've got good news for you. Use the code TURKEY20 all the way through at checkout and you'll get 20% off the prices. Equally, if you're interested in the Cinematic Pads collection of sounds for Logic Pro, you can go and grab that and get your 20% off discount there as well. So yeah, go and apply that discount code, and that's going to run from today, which is the 20th of December, until Friday, the 3rd of January 2025. So 2 weeks of savings. Go and grab it. And out. Told you it'd be short.